How to make your character jump with logic bricks in 60 seconds. First, we've already set up motion. If you haven't done that, go back and do that. We're going to add in another input map sensor, change it to just pressed, and change the action name to jump. You should have already added a jump under project settings and input map. Mine's set to space. Next, we're going to add in a character jump actuator. Connect those two things, click apply code, and try out your game. My character can jump. You can change the jump height, gravity strength, and max jumps. Let's change the max jumps to a variable. Click to add a new variable. Change the name to something like max jumps. You can set that variable and you can export it so that you can change it later in the inspector. Put the variable name in the max jumps box, click apply code, and try out your game. Now I can jump multiple times. Coming in the next video is how to make the camera follow around with your character. See you next time.